Begin question number 8. The first question is given minus 15 by minus 60. Now we have to write it in standard form. So we are going to reduce the sign first, then the numbers first. 15 ones are 15, 15 fours are 60. So the answer will be 1 by 4. Is it? Question number 2, they have given you 98 by minus 84. So we'll just write 98 by minus 84. Both the numbers are divisible by 2. 2 49s are, 2 42s are, 7 7s are, 7 6 are. So you are getting 7 by minus 6. It is not in standard form. The denominator cannot be negative in standard form. So we'll be writing minus 7 by 6. You will ask, ma'am, how did we get? So we have just multiply one minus sign down and one minus sign up. This is called rationalizing the numbers. So we get minus 7 by 6. That you don't need to show. It is to make you understand I have done. Is it? Look at question number 5. It is given minus 315 by 231. So we'll be writing minus 315 by 231. Both the numbers are divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21, 3 7s are 21, 7 15s are 105, 7 11s are 77. So the answer is minus 15 by 11. This is called standard form of rational numbers. Clear? Question number 8, you have to see, 9, you have to see whether these numbers are equivalent or not. So I will be showing you 2, 3, then afterward you need to do, I am not going to do all sums here. It is 3 by minus 15 and minus 1 by 5. So we are going to do the cross multiplication. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Minus 1 into minus 15 is equal to 15. So both are equal. The products are equal. Is it, my dear? 3 into 5, that gives you 15. Minus 1 into minus 15, that also gives you 15. So the product are equal in both the cases. Numerator of first number into denominator of second rational number. Numerator of second rational number into denominator of first rational number. The product, if it comes equal, then we can write 3 by minus 15 and minus 1 by 5 are equivalent rational numbers. It's okay. If they are not equal, if the answers are not equal, we'll write they are not equivalent rational numbers. Let us see the next one. 9s maybe. Question number 3. It is given. It is 9's 3. Okay, my dear. It is given minus 8 by 14 and 13 by 21. So we'll write minus 8 into 21. That gives you minus 168 and 13 into 14, 172. So they are not equal, na? Minus 168 is not equals to 172. So we'll write minus 8 by 14 and 13 by 21 are not equivalent rational numbers. Clear? If the product of cross multiplication is the same, then they are equivalent rational numbers. If it is not same, they are not equivalent rational numbers. Clear? This was question number 9. So left over question number 9, you have to do it. Let us see question number 10. Question number 10, it says you have to get the value of x. They have given you minus 3 by 7 and x by 49 minus 49 when these numbers are equivalent. So if the numbers are given, the numbers are equivalent, it means, so what it will be? Minus 3 into minus 49 will be equal to x into 7. Equivalent means the products of numerator to denominator will be equal. So we can write minus 3 into minus 7 divided by minus 49, not 7, my dear, divided by 7 is equal to x. 7 sevens are 49. So the x value of x is minus minus plus 21 is equal to x. The value of x we got. Is it? Let us see question number 3. This is 10.1. 10.3 it says 3 by 5 and x by minus 25. So we can write it 3 into minus 25 is equal to x into 5, or 3 into minus 25 divided by 5 is equal to x. 5 5s are 25, or we are getting minus 15 is equal to x. This is the answer of question number 3. So like that you have to finish question number 10. For today you just leave it up to here. If there is any doubt, you can ask me tomorrow's live class. Keep practicing this. Thank you.